We are going up there. These are the Paramotor Essentials. We got a crappy MRE, stuff to brush my teeth, stakes, the old pad, sleeping bag. We have a rain fly, small backpack, got my camera holder there, flashlight, knife, and got some water right there. Put this stuff sack in my Paramotor bag on the bottom, and I was gonna take these shoes, but my gas tank of 5 gallons fell over. So here's what we're working with. Yep, that's all we got to get up there. Luckily it's super close, and he's looking for Wi-Fi. Did you find some Wi-Fi?
I found barely, but yeah.
Basically front loaded this bad boy and just strapped it back. Got Ross to strap the chest strap and waist strap. I got the waist strap. Actually, I need to tighten it. We're about to launch, but it should be fun. What happened to your wing? All right, man. I'm gonna launch this bad boy. So I don't think I had the my audio on for that launch, unfortunately, because my reaction was ridiculous. But anyways, that's the parking lot if you can see it. Ross is now setting up his wing. It's the little white shape next to the red truck. We're gonna land somewhere up there on that mountain. Big old bulb right there. Honestly, I think I'm actually ready to come in and land. Looking at my fuel, I don't really have time to mess around. And what I should have done is gone to this gas station right there. They have like 93, 90 octane, ethanol free, and I'm right there. Boom, boom. It just puts 2 gallons in there for some reassurance, but whatever. All right, I'm gonna go land. I don't have the fuel to mess around. That's the reason I took off when Ross had that failed launch. Don't really have time to putt around, so let's go find this landing area. Honestly, the flattest spot I'm seeing is right there. Oh, how do you like my shoe setup? It's pretty nice, huh? I dumped all that fuel on my tennis shoes, so unfortunately I had to rock the wool socks and Chacos. So in the morning I expect cold feet, but quick flight. Anyways, what I'm thinking about for landing is, see these tire tracks? I'm gonna come down and I think I'm gonna land that direction. And this bald right here looks like a cool spot to camp. It's a little rocky, so instead of just shutting my engine off and coming in, I'm gonna do a low pass and look for an area that's not rocky because I don't have good shoes on. And I'm gonna stop wasting time and get down. Ross still hasn't taken off. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Grass isn't moving, it's pretty quiet. Ooh, it's kind of hilly. Land. Oh, got hit by a net. Probably land right there before that big patch of rocks, I think. Alright, alright, alright. Hit that post. Oh God. Oh, that's uncomfortable. We'll let that do that. That's okay. Woo! It's like landing on really soft rocks. It'd be awesome to land with boots on. But I'm here. This is great. Wow. I'm the only one up here. I came in a little fast. Trying to see what that's about. Oh, it's called a tailwind. Hopefully I can convey that to Ross somehow on his way so he doesn't make my mistake. This current situation, there's nothing to complain about up here. Nothing at all. It is quiet. There is no wind. See that tiny dot over there? That's awesome. He's on his way up. Nailed it! How's it feel?
Ow. So I'm like, okay, I'll go along the side, and then I found one of those rocks in the bushes.
It looks like you found that one right there.
No, you can see my drag marks. Ow, it's starting to hurt more. That's not fun.
Not fun at all. Got Ross over there trying to figure out the camping situation. And I am just enjoying this. Here's our campsite for the night. Ross has his lights on. It's like a party in here. Here goes nothing.
Nice. Straight, good.
That was too easy. It was probably like 6 steps.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Bye, awesome spot. Over there, he's gonna come in right behind me, but my idea is to come in under power in between the building and this blue dumpster and basically just take it over the pavement and get in the grass for a soft landing. not going to switch up my plan right now, but I saw a better option. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Run for days. I'm on the ground. Nice. Whoa. Looks like we chose the best library in town to launch out of. Basically shot right through there. Ended up in that parking lot. Post-flight debrief. How to get some food at a local stop after landing.
We got the rocking chairs.
Rocking chairs. We're all set, man. We got the view. Nice.
The way to